Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, it's your girl Dumebi Lea. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. I hope you decide to join my big happy family by hitting the subscribe button right below this video and the notification bell right beside it. That way YouTube tells you whenever I drop a new video. And if you're already an OG, you guys know I love you. You know how we do it. So today's video is a vlog. It's a vlog. It is. I've been actually wanting to vlog ever since this quarantine and home isolation started in my city, Lagos, Nigeria. But I'm like, what do I want to vlog for you people? Me being in my house. My house is very tiny. It's a mini flat. So I'm like, okay, from the room to the sitting room to the kitchen to the bathroom. What do I want to show you guys? But I'm like, anyways, Easter. I might as well just do it. So today is actually Easter. Today is the 12th of April, 2020. 2020. 2020. The year 2020 has been one of the most difficult years. Like, I don't know if you guys are feeling me, but this year really, I digress. Anyway, as you guys know, except you're living under a rock, if you're even living under a rock, you'd know because you're still in Earth. So except you're living outside planet Earth, you guys know that the world is on shutdown, is on lockdown right now because of what's going on. Everybody's on quarantine, observing home isolation and stuff like that. So I'm home today. If not, I should have been at church right now because this is Easter Sunday. It's Easter. I should have been attending Easter Mass. I'm Catholic, by the way. So because we're on home quarantine and nobody's going to church, I'm sure some people will probably still go to church because this is Nigeria and people are stubborn. But because no one is going to church, I'm home. I'm spending my Easter at home. I just got up. It's about 10 a.m. right now. I got up around, say, 7. I've just been chilling, pressing my phone. I even did a video call with my sister. I just got off the phone with my sister. So I'm about to begin my day and there's really nothing much, guys. It's home quarantine. Easter edition. So usually what I do is I work out like once in every 2 days and then I try to eat just twice a day, then I keep myself busy either reading a novel. I have several novels here. Either like this is the one I'm currently reading now. I have like so many of them right now. So it's either I'm reading a novel or I'm seeing a movie, maybe Netflix, or like downloaded movies that I have on my laptop, or I'm watching TV, or I'm listening to music. Basically just, stuff that I can do in the house. So today, the thing that I'm going to be doing different is that I'm going to be making a delicacy for Easter. So my siblings are in the other room. You guys are going to see them. We're about 4 of us. We're spending Easter together, and I think I'm going to begin today with my workout. Then after the workout, I'm going to prepare Easter rice. I'm making fried rice and chicken. Then we're just going to chill. We're going to chill, maybe see a movie or just lazy about or something. So you guys don't expect too much from this vlog. I just want you guys to hang out with me basically and see how I spend my Easter. That's what this video is about, just for documentation and let's just for the memories and to also keep you guys entertained. So you guys come along with me. Let's spend Easter together. So let me go see what my siblings are doing. You guys, happy Easter. Hey. I'm just hiding her face. So you guys, I'm about to start my workouts, and there are these ones that I do. I'm not doing aerobics per se. I'm trying to like sculpt my body. So I'm doing waist workouts, tummy workouts, and hip and butt workouts. So I'm doing Tiffany Roth's, no, not this particular one. I'll be doing this one by Tiffany Roth. Is a booty shaking towel workout. Girls, look at her name. You guys should check her out if you guys want workouts to like make your waist tinier. That is the woman to go for. That is the girl. She's your girl. Like, I've been doing half workouts for some time and I see the difference. Then I'm going to be doing workouts by Mr. London. This is Mr. London. He's cute. Okay, so he does the ab workout. I'm going to be doing that. Then the third workout I'll be doing today is for my hips and for my butt basically. Big booty workout. Ooh, by Pretty Miss J. So those are the workouts I'm doing today. So by the time I'm done with this, I should be feeling very sexylicious and bootylicious. So let me just get right into the workout. My sister says she wants to join me. I don't know why she's camera shy. Maybe I turned on the camera, she ran away, but you guys will see her doing the workout, sha. So let's get into it.
Nice and long, that's it. Side. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. Side to side. Straight elbows, don't bend the elbows. And pull down so you have a lot of tension. That's it. Now pull your tummy in.
Yeah, hey, baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? You know you don't reach your bus stop. Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? Don't get too stuck up. Bend them in the. Would you be my only?
So she has joined me. We are going to start the tummy workout. I'm doing the one by Mr. London right now. After this one, then we'll do the booty. So let's start.
Arriba, arriba, arriba. I bet you wanna.
Oh Leo, I want to die. Oh, I want to die. Man's workout is brutal. I want to die. You guys, we took like a 15 minutes break after doing the ab workout. So we want to begin the squats, hip and butt, booty workout. So this is the booty workout. Yep, let's begin. Are you ready? You're tired.
Arriba, 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 arriba.
We're finally done with our workout. How was it?
It was terrible.
Very intense.
I swear that. Most especially that guy.
I'm telling you.
That guy's one is worse.
So guys, I'm finally done. I'm just going to shower now and then I'll start preparing my Easter food. So keep watching, guys. Guys, I've begun my cooking for Easter. These are my veggies. I'll be making fried rice. That's my chicken. We're just 4 as I told you guys, so it's just like. So then I'm going to be making soup. This is my oha vegetable. This is uziza. I'm making oha soup in a different way. This is not the way my mama taught me. I learned this elsewhere. This is achi. This is ogiri. If you are from Anambra, you definitely know what that is. So guys, I'm almost done with my fried rice and chicken. Is it looking good or what? Vibration. I love that song. Guys, so I'm almost done eating. There is no light right now, meaning there is no electrical power supply. In Nigeria, we just say there's no light, meaning there's power shortage. See, I don't know what's the proper grammar for there's no light. What's the proper way to say it in English? In Queen's English, you know what I mean? Anyway, I was gonna be done eating. This is bad habit. I'm not supposed to be eating and talking at the same time, but when I'm done eating, I'll probably see a movie or read a novel. I haven't decided yet. But guys, this food is delicious, if I do say so myself, because I made it myself. Hi guys, good morning. So this is actually the 13th of April 2020. This is Monday, like the day, like Easter Monday basically. So you guys, I did not sleep well last night. There were a series of robberies going on. You guys, I was just hearing gunshot upon gunshot. I'm talking like for 2 to 3 hours straight. Gunshot. At some point we started hearing police sirens blaring. We're hearing people screaming. I was online. I was seeing a lot of people updating about it. Like several areas in Lagos, several middle class areas, residential areas in Lagos were being attacked at the same time. And this thing happened. This was the second night this was happening. The first night it happened, I don't think it went on for this long. But apparently one of my family friends, you guys, she has been on the page before. She works with me, Queen. She told us that they had come to her area the night before. That was the day before yesterday night. And they told them that they were going to come back again. And these are guys, the robbers move in like a large crowd. She said there were about 50 guys and they like distributed themselves. You know, they were robbing Alakuko, Ogba, Egbeda, Agege areas, Alagbado. It was just a lot. It was scary. They said they even killed some people, that when they come to you, if you don't have any money that they can rob off of you, they'd actually maybe rape or beat you or even kill. Guys, it was so traumatic for me, especially because I grew up in a military cantonment and we never really experienced anything like this, because in the barracks you're secure, nobody robs, you can even sleep with your door open. So being in a civil residential area and experiencing this, it is terrifying. I could not sleep. I was up till like 2:30 a.m. This thing started as late as, let's say, 11. I started hearing these gunshots. I had to wake my siblings up and I'm like, okay guys. Wow. I just thank God for protection. I thank God. A lot of people that I know experienced the same thing, or rather I know people that lived in areas that experienced the same thing. Some were saying they were doing house to house robberies. And yo, let's not dwell on that. I'm just happy that I'm alive and well. You guys be great. Thank God for me. If you live in Lagos, if you live in Nigeria even as a whole, I'm sure you'd have been hearing about these robberies. We don't know if we can blame it on the lockdown and the fact that people no longer have that daily income, maybe people that depend on their daily income, or this, we should blame it on just the fact that some people are just hardened criminals and looking for taking this lockdown as an opportunity to rob people that are barely surviving. As I am right now, I don't even have any income source apart from maybe YouTube, and we know the way YouTube income is not like flowing per se, because I'm still a small channel. So my day-to-day job, which was, you know, makeup for clients, are basically not happening. So I'm even barely trying to survive, and then I'm sure it's the same way for a lot of other people, and then some are just trying to rob. You guys, I think I have to wrap up this vlog here, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys were not bored by it. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, tell me what you think in the comment section, and subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.